Yes. So in this video, we are going to solve the problem find missing in second array. So this problem is completely for beginner. Okay. Its difficulty level is also easy. And in this problem, we are going to use the map. Map is the part of C++ STL. So if you don't know what is C++ STL, so I will highly recommend you to first learn it. Okay. In C++ STL, we have map, we have set, we have vector, and many more such type of libraries, so which will help you in solving any type of problem. Okay, so let's see what is given in this problem. So in this problem there are two arrays given, array A and array B, and we have to find the numbers which are present in the first array but not present in the second array. Okay, simply two arrays are given and we have to find the numbers which are present in the first array but absent in the second array. Okay, simple, this is the problem. I will recommend you to pause the video, try to find the solution, and then watch the video again. Okay, yeah, so let's see the approach of it. Let me explain you this problem one more time, what is given in the problem and what we have to do. Okay, yeah, so yes, so in this problem we have two arrays A and B. Okay, the elements of A are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, and the elements of B are 2, 3, 1, 0, 5. I have considered the example number 1. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to return one vector. Okay, sorry, yes, we have to return one vector, and in that vector we have to include the elements which are present in first array but absent in second array. Okay, meaning just like consider the first array which is our A and consider its first element which is 1. Okay, now 1 is present in second array. Yes, 1 is present. Don't consider it don't consider it, right? Move to the next element which is 2. 2 is present in array B. Yes, don't consider it. We don't want that element. We want the element which is present in first array but absent in second array. Right. Move to the third element which is 3. It is present in B. Yes, it is present in B. Don't consider it. We don't want that element. Next is 4. 4 is present in second array. No, 4 is not present. Yes. So this is the element which we want. Okay. Next is 5. 5 is present in second array. Yes, 5 is present. Don't consider it. Okay. Last element is 10. 10 is present in second array. No, 10 is not present. This is 1 and 0. Okay, these two separate elements. No, 10 is also not present. So yes, we will consider it. So this is what we have to return. This vector, this is a vector C which consists of element 4 and 10. This vector we have to return as the answer. That's all. That's what given in the problem. That's it. Okay. Now let's see how to code it. What will be the approach? How to use map for this? Okay. So let me explain you how we will do it. So first I will erase this. Okay. Let me take one small example to explain. Okay. Let's consider we have our first array. Mm, Elements are 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Let's consider our second array as 2 and 4, and let's suppose 0. Okay, so consider this example, two arrays are given. Okay, now what we will do, we will make one map. Okay, we will make one map. Now what we will do, first we will traverse our second array which is B. What we will do, we will take one loop. Now I'm going to explain you the approach how to code it. Okay, first we will take one loop and we will traverse our second array. What is our second array? B. Okay, what we will do, we will insert all the elements of second array into our map. What we will do, we will insert all our second array elements into the map. It means we will insert 2, we will insert 4, and we will insert 0 into the map. That's it. This will be our first step. Okay. What we will do, we will take one C as a vector which we are going to return as an answer. Okay. This C is a vector. This is the answer which we are going to return. Right. In our first step, we have insert all the elements of B into our map. Now what will be our second step? In the second step, we will traverse first array. We will traverse first array, which is our A. Okay. Now what we will do? While traversing the first array, we will check whether the elements of first array is present in the map or not. Okay. Just like here. First, we have start traversing our array A. Okay. First element is 1. We will check whether 1 is present in the map or not. No, 1 is not present. So yes, consider this 1 in our answer. We will check 2. We will check whether 2 is present in the map. Yes. Don't consider it because we don't want it. We want the element which are present in first array but absent in second array, right? So we will not consider 2. Next element is 3. 3 is present in map. No, 3 is also not present in map. So yes, insert it into our vector and just return this vector C. Okay. Now you will think why we are doing map, why we are not directly checking the elements of array into the first array into the second array, because we don't have direct method of it. We don't have any method which will help us to check whether this one is present in the B or not. So for that, what we did, we shift all the elements of this vector array B into the map, because map provide that functionality. We have the function in the map which help us to find whether any particular element is present in the map or not. Okay, that's why we have used map here. I hope you got the concept, right? So if you don't got it, just rewind the video, watch it again. Okay, you will got the concept, right? So now let's code this. Okay, important step. So yeah. So now what we will do? We will take one map, right? We will create one map, right? So we will create one map. Let's suppose M. Okay, give it a name M. What was our first step? Our first step was to store the elements of second array into the map. Okay, so let's do it. Int I is equal to 0, I should be less than M. Okay, second array size is M. How to store the elements into the map? Simply M bracket mm, B of I. This is how we stored the elements in the map. We will learn it in C++ STL. Okay. What was our second step? In our second step, we were traversing the first array. Okay. And we were checking whether the element of array is present in the map or not. Right. So yeah, int I is equal to 0, I should be less than n I plus plus. Right. We have to return one vector as an answer, right? So first create it. Let's suppose it is an as answer, right? Yeah. So we will traverse our first array and we will check whether the particular element we are at the current index is present in the map or not. If it is not present in the map, then we are going to insert it in our answer vector, right? So if how to check it? This line is going to be very important. If m dot find if m dot find a of I is equal to m dot end, then answer dot push back. I'm going to explain you what I did here. Okay, just wait for a minute. Yeah. So what this line is doing, m dot find, it means we are finding into the map. We are finding whether a of I, that is the element in the first array, is reaching to the end of the map or not. Now what happen generally in the map when we don't find the element, then control goes to the end of the map. Okay, in the map when we don't found element which we are trying to find, then the control of the map goes to the end of the map. So here m dot find a of I, which means we are finding the element of first array. Okay, and while finding, if the control goes to the end of the map, it means we didn't find our element, right? So in this case we are going to push back that element into our answer vector, right? uh, Here a will be there, right? I hope you got the concept. Okay, here I will comment it out. Here we are checking the presence of element in the map. Okay, I hope you got the concept, right? It's a simple problem. Mm, I hope we are done with it. Now simply return answer. Simply return answer, right? So let's compile and run. Okay, one error is there. Okay. I will change the name of map because here size of m and m both are same. So let's suppose our map name is MP. Let's suppose MP. Okay. So change the name of map to MP. Okay, now compile and run. Let's submit it. Yeah, all the test cases has been passed. So I hope you got the concept of how to use a map in such a problem. And if you have any problem, then comment out in the comment section. Okay, thank you for watching this video, guys.